I'm gonna maneuver it. Okay. Now I'm gonna spin it in place. Okay. I'm gonna walk this forward. I'm at 35%. Pretty much turn up. Put a little piece, put that little thing over the wheel. Let's see if it goes over.
This?
Yeah, put it right in front of the wheel.
Back it up, save room to move. Back it up, right here. Yes, here, back it up.
I'll put it right in front.
Oh, you from this way. My bad.
Let's see if I can go.
Right, one right over it. Nice.
No problem with torque. Now let's see if we get the back wheel up right. Fucking man.
Alright.
It's not big.
Well, I think it's got traction. And hold it quick. Oh, it's definitely switching.
Nice. Nah.
Well, we know you can go over anything. Are you pleased, Francis?
I am very pleased, man. This is awesome.
Hit that red button for the
Yeah.